Hello, welcome to Grow Your Own CRM. Managing meetings should be simple, and with our CRM, it is. Introducing the powerful meeting module designed to schedule, track, and complete all your meetings, whether online or on site. On the lead board of the CRM, with every lead, you will find a handshake icon. Click on the handshake icon. It helps you to schedule the new meeting, whether it's a visit or an on site meeting or online meeting. You select the meeting date when you want to meet the customer, select the start time and the end time of the meeting. Select meeting assigned to whom you are meeting with. If the person you are meeting with is not mentioned in the list, you can just click on Add Contact and you can add the person's contact and then select it. The purpose of your meeting: sales service, renewal, complaint, or training. Venue: where you want to meet the person. Any remark you want to add. You want to send this invite on mail? Just click on Send Invite, save the meeting. Your meeting is saved and you will get an option to send that particular invite on the mail to that particular person. Once the meeting is scheduled, it is going to showcase first in this meeting attempt section. 0 by 3 meetings completed in total. We have an option of My Events. In that option, My Meetings, you will find a calendar where all your meetings are showcased. Like on 23rd, 3 meetings are scheduled. It is going to show all the 3 meetings. Click on the details. You get 3 options: whether you want to dispose of the meeting or complete the meeting, edit the meeting or cancel the meeting. Click on Dispose, select check-in and check-out time. Whether you have visited alone or you have visited with any colleague, write the discussion point and submit. The meeting is disposed. Click on Edit Meeting. You can edit the time and everything from here and then you can save it across. If you want to cancel the meeting, then click on Cancel Meeting, Reason of Cancellation and Submit. This way, any of the action is taken and the meeting is completed. Once the meeting is completed, you can actually check the details of the meeting in the meeting report section. It's a very comprehensive report which enables you to search lead by lead ID or by company name, by user, by status, by mode, by meeting type, by whom you have visited with, by date. And the entire, it's a meeting report, is downloadable in Excel also. It's an elaborated report. You can elaborate that report from this icon. It gives you more details on what happened in the meeting. Apart from that, once you check in and check out, like I showed in Dispose meeting, your Google location is captured, and if you click on the map icon, it will take you to the Google Map section, and there the latitude and longitude are captured and your location is shown. If you're on the go, then no problem. With our CRM mobile app, you can schedule and update meetings anytime, anywhere, just like that. This is the interface of our CRM mobile app. Option here of Manage Meeting is available. You click on Manage Meeting. Your meetings, whatever scheduled for today, are being showcased. Then there is an option of adding a new meeting or going to the calendar of the meeting. You click on Add a Meeting. You will be routed to your contact list in the app. All your leads are mentioned. You can search by name of a person or by company name. Select. Again, the mobile app enables you to visit or an online meeting. Choose the lead where you want to meeting with the person. Here also, option of Add Details are present. Purpose of your meeting venue. Venue will take you to the Google Map. You can select the details. Select start time and end time of that particular meeting. Just any remark you want to add and the meeting is scheduled. After scheduling, it is going to take you to the Meeting Manage Meeting section, where your today's meeting, your upcoming meeting, your unattended meeting, meeting done, cancel meeting, everything is showcased. From here also, you can be routed to Meeting Calendar page where all your meetings are showcased. I'm coming back on the CRM dashboard, the mobile app dashboard. Here, in the Manage Lead section also, you get option from this handshake icon again to schedule the meeting. On the dashboard itself, there is a separate section for meetings also available, where from there also you can add a meeting or you can directly route to the meeting calendar. Once you are on the meeting calendar, if you want to dispose of the meeting, just click on the meeting. Again, edit, cancel and dispose. All the options are available. You click here, select the check-in time. Select the checkout time. And here you get an option of adding 3 images also, which can be taken directly from your camera or you can select it from your gallery, and then you can dispose of the meeting. The meeting is completed. Whether you are in the office or on the road, Grow Your Own CRM keeps your meeting on track, your team aligned, and your clients are impressed. For further details and more feature videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.